I promise the police and the military, do your duty, go out and find for these criminals, arrest them if possible, but if they offer a violent resistance, and you think that your life is in danger, patayin mo. And that is my order until now. Now, sabi ng police, pag-serve nila ng warrant, lumaban at binaril nila. Tama. And I believe you because the police is under the executive branch of the government. Akin. So, sabi ko sa kanila, do not worry. Magtrabaho lang kayo. Just obey yung order ko na look for them and hunt for them. Sundin lang ninyo. At ako ang lahat mananagot. I will answer for it personally. Walang washing of the hands, walang akin yun. So if you want to do something about it, fine. You want to demonstrate, I give you the streets, 365 days a year, 30 days in a month, 7 days including Sundays, you can demonstrate. Just do not do violent things. Wala akong problema. Kung sabihin nila gusto ninyo akong patayin, tanggalin, you know, I believe in destiny. I don't have the money, I don't have the machinery. Bilisan ko na lang. But I really do not know why dumating ako dito. Really. Ngayon, dumating ako dito. Pag hanggang 2 buwan lang ako dito, 2 taon, 1 taon, that is part of my destiny. Kayong destiny is God. Yun ang binigay sa akin ng Diyos. Pag-presidente ka, hanggang 1 taon ka lang, mawala ka. That's good. But, let me remind everybody, nag-uulan na, let's go. May cabinet meeting pa kami, pinutol namin. We have a lot of things to discuss. Told you, Paul, I will repeat. I will protect the citizens of this country who are law-abiding. I will end up the drugs. My orders are destroy the apparatus that has really damaged the Republic of the Philippines. Dumating at walang tao, mabutit na lang may the good souls who contributed money for that facility in Fort Magsaysay, good for 10,000. Papasalamat ako sa Diyos, wala talaga akong maibigay na gano'n. Sabi ko hanggang ano lang ako, operating ka. I cannot get the money from the DND and give it to the health and say, magtayo kayo. Because that would be robbing Peter to pay Paul. Pag isang purpose dito, tanggalin mo, bigay mo sa iba. That ain't the way. So, ganito, it will remain to the last day of my life. And for as long as there are drug pushers and drug, when they shall have been exterminated, then I would say to you, the federal type of government, the centerpiece of my candidacy, you will never find peace in this country, believe me. As president, I'm telling you, with ourselves, and with our brother, all Moro, all Luma, whatever. Mag-aaway talaga tayo. And so we have to somehow adjust to this fact. And I'm telling you, let us greet each other. Wala akong, it's not a question of love for my country and love of my people. Doing all these things, were it not for. So, kayong mga ano, I don't really care if you tell kayo na mawala ako. If I go out next month, that is part of being the believer of God. I give you this destiny. You will be president of your country. Fortunately, hanggang 6 na buwan ko lang. Then, so, be it. To the Filipino people, yung mga, lalo na yung mga brother natin na mga Moro ngayon, Assalamualaikum, join us in the celebration kasi doon sa Mindanao, sinasabi ko talaga, mixed. When I say mixed, you mix. That is why kung magsunog doon, I will try to rebuild the houses. Dito Maranao, dito Bisaya, dito Tagalog, ang cluster nila is mixed. And in Davao, wala kami. I do not allow to preach about yung mga anong sa Katoliko, pati rin sa Islam. Do not debate in public. Just go to your church and pray however you want it. So with that, I will say to you all, so we're nearing the 2017, total, yung mga nasa opposition, maghintay lang kayo. Hindi naman, total, naghintay mo rin sila. So, hintayan tayo and you have had your days. Kung sabihin mo na you continue with just, forget it. Ako talaga, straightforward ako, diretso. Wala nang Pilipino maging gago. At hiyain tayo. You want to worry me about the 3,000? You want me to worry about the son of a bitch? Tapos with 4 million Filipinos addicted? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.